Live from a kitchen in Las Vegas, it's Keto Cooking. Making 7 meals out of a 10-pound shoulder roast. Sit back and watch. After extracting nice London broils, we'll be moving on to the tenderloin part of this shoulder. All right, we have some nice tenderloins right there. Also, we have stew meat. Then I took the other parts of this beef, the flat ends, and I cut them with the grain, so that when I do cook them, they will be cut against the grain. You can make pepper steak, whatever you want with this right here. So, 2 big, nice London broils and some fillets. Now, these are not filet mignon, but they are the tenderest part of this beef shoulder. So rather than just cutting it up and making one big meal out of it, here I go. I got 7 different meals out of this 10-pound piece of beef. Listen, I am Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Save some money. and play with your food. Listen, thank you for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.